Attention to all KAPS aspirants. There has been a change in the KAPS exam, which is the pharmacist qualifying examination for Australia and New Zealand. Making the November 2024 the last KAPS exam, the new exam called as the Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment or OPRA will come into effect from March 2025. Like KAPS, this will be a computer-based MCQ type question, but the difference is that it will be a single paper of 2.5 hours and 120 questions in total. This exam will cover syllabus from areas of biomedical sciences, medicinal chemistry and biopharmaceutics, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics, pharmacology and toxicology, and a large portion of 45% from therapeutics and patient care. The number of attempts, the validity period of the results, which is 3 years, the eligibility criteria and the registration process will be the same as that of the KAPS exam. If you haven't cleared any individual papers of the KAPS exam conducted until July 2024 and want to re-sit for the exam, you will have to sit for the November 2024 KAPS exam or will have to appear for the OPRA exam, which is going to be conducted in March 2025.